Good morning students. Today we are going to revise our first lesson, organ systems. O-R-G-A-N, organ systems. S-Y-S-T-E-M-S, organ systems. What is an organ? A part of an organism that is typically self-contained and has a specific vital function such as the heart or liver in humans. Different organs form the organ systems. In this lesson, we will study about different organ systems in our body and their function. First one, digestive system. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E, digestive system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, digestive system. The food we eat consists of complex compounds like carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Carbohydrates, C-A-R-B-O-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E-S. Carbohydrates are naturally occurring sugars, starches and fiber in food. Carbohydrates are found in bread, beans, milk, popcorn, potatoes, soft drinks, etc. Proteins, P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S, proteins. Protein is a macronutrient that is essential to building muscle mass. It is commonly found in animal products. It is also present in nuts and legumes. Fats, F-A-T-S, fats, a natural oily substance occurring in animal bodies, especially when deposited as a layer under the skin or around certain organs. The body uses fat as a fuel source. We get energy for our daily activities from the food we eat. How is the food converted into energy, students? It is through the process called digestion. The process of conversion of complex food molecules into simpler molecules is called digestion. The digestive system can be divided into two. First one, digestive tract, D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E, tract, T-R-A-C-T. Second one, digestive glands, D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E, glands, G-L-A-N-D-S, glands. Digestive tract, it is a coiled muscular tube extending from the mouth to the anus. It is about 6 to 9 meters long and consists of many specialized divisions arranged sequentially. These are mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach. This is model of a stomach. Small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. This is model of a digestive system. What is this part? This is liver. This is gallbladder. This is large intestine. This part is small intestine. This is anus. This is esophagus. This leaf-like structure is pancreas. This is spleen. There are some organisms which live in the digestive systems of animals. For example, tapeworm lives in the human intestine. Digestive glands. Three important digestive glands associated with the process of digestion are: first one, salivary glands, SALIVARY, salivary glands, GLANDS. Second one, pancreas, PANCREAS. Third one, liver, LIVER, liver. Salivary glands secrete saliva which moistens food. Saliva contains enzymes which break down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. Pancreas produces pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes for digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Liver produces bile for the digestion of fat. Come on students, now we will learn about respiratory system. RESPIRATORY, respiratory system. SYSTEM, respiratory system. The respiratory system provides oxygen to the tissues of the body and removes carbon dioxide from the tissues. There are three major parts forming the respiratory system. First one is airway, AIRWAY. Second, lungs, LUNGS. Third is muscles of respiration, MUSCLES. Muscles of respiration, RESPIRATION, respiration. Children, do you know people suffer due to smoke? Smoke contains large amount of carbon monoxide, a toxic gas. People, when engulfed in smoke on fire, die due to suffocation. Students, do this activity. Sit quietly and count how many times you breathe per minute. On an average, we breathe 16 to 18 times per minute. Can you guess the number of times you breathe in a day? We breathe more than 20,000 times in a day. First one, airway. The airway includes the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and lungs. It carries air between the lungs and the surrounding. The lungs, LUNGS, lungs. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. They are paired, cone-shaped organs. They are located near the backbone on both sides of the heart.
Human lung. This is heart. Heart is present in between the two lungs. Students, this is lungs of a sheep. The shape of lungs is cone-like structure. This is right lungs and this is left lungs.
Third point, muscles of respiration. Muscles of respiration include diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Children, do you know air pollution causes many respiratory diseases? Smoking can cause lung cancer. Third one, circulatory system. CIRCULATORY, circulatory system. SYSTEM, system. In this system, blood is circulated to transport oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. Circulatory system consists of the following. First one, heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Second one, blood. B-L-O-O-D, blood. Third one, blood vessels. B-L-O-O-D, blood vessels. V-E-S-S-E-L-S, blood vessels. Come on students, let us learn about heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is somewhat conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. P-E-R-I-C-A-R-D-I-U-M, pericardium. Heart is placed inside the thoracic chamber in between the two lungs. See students, this part is left pulmonary veins. This is right pulmonary veins. This is left ventricle. This is right ventricle. This part is cardiac muscle. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are called auricles. 2 lower, thicker chambers are called ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it into different parts of the body.
This is heart of a sheep. It is conical in shape.
Blood. B-L-O-O-D, blood. What is our blood color, students? Very good. Blood is red in color. So, this blood transports nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adult is 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Third one, blood vessels. B-L-O-O-D, blood vessels. V-E-S-S-E-L-S, blood vessels. Blood vessels consists of arteries and veins. Arteries. A-R-T-E-R-I-E-S, arteries. Veins. V-E-I-N-S, veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. Students, do you know there are some animals like lobsters and crabs have blue blood?
Crab has blue color blood.
Cockroach has colorless or white blood. Now we are going to learn about the fourth system, excretory system. E-X-C-R-E-T-O-R-Y, excretory system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Excretory system removes the waste products from the body. It also regulates water and electrolyte balance. Kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. Excretory system consists of the following. First one, kidneys. K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys. See student, this is structure of kidney. This is left kidney. This is right kidney. The kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce urine. The kidneys are a pair of dark red bean-shaped organs placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. The average adult kidney measures about 12 cm in length, 6 cm in width and 3 cm in thickness. Right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. The kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons. N-E-P-H-R-O-N-S, nephron.
Students, this is kidney of a sheep. See the shape of the kidney. It is in bean shape.
Second one, ureters. U-R-E-T-E-R-S, ureters. This part is ureter. Third one, urinary bladder. U-R-I-N-A-R-Y, urinary bladder. B-L-A-D-D-E-R, bladder. This part is urinary bladder. This part is urethra. Students, do you know every minute kidneys receives approximately 1.250 liter of blood? Fifth system, nervous system. N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, nervous system. Nervous system is an integration of nerves and specialized cells called neurons. The human nervous system is divided into the following. First one, CNS. CNS means central nervous system. C-E-N-T-R-A-L, central nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Second one, peripheral. P-E-R-I-P-H-E-R-A-L, peripheral nervous system. N-E-R-V-O-U-S, nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Central nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Brain, B-R-A-I-N, brain. Students, we use our brain to think, read and write. The brain is covered by 3 membranes called meninges. Hey students, in this model you can see the brain is kept in a bony case called cranium or skull. The brain is made up of millions of functional units called neurons.
Students, this is model of a brain. Brain has how many parts? Brain has 3 parts. So this part is cerebrum. This part is cerebellum. And this part is medulla oblongata.
For brain, F-O-R-E, for brain. B-R-A-I-N, for brain. Cerebrum, C-E-R-E-B-R-U-M, cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It is the center of human memory. It is responsible for intelligence, imagination and reasoning. Midbrain, M-I-D, mid, brain, B-R-A-I-N, midbrain. Cerebellum, C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M, cerebellum. It lies behind the cerebrum. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. Hindbrain. H-I-N-D. Hind. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Hindbrain. Medulla oblongata. M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla oblongata. O-B-L-O-N-G-A-T-A. Medulla oblongata. It is also called the brain stem. It is called vital knot because it controls breathing, heartbeat, and other involuntary muscles. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Students, do you know the average weight of human brain is 1.300 kilogram? Students, do you know the brain needs a continuous supply of oxygen for better functioning? The brain loses the ability to function when it does not get oxygen for more than 4 minutes. Enough sleep and healthy food increase the efficiency of our brain.
This is brain of a sheep.
Spinal cord. S-P-I-N-A-L. Spinal cord. C-O-R-D. Spinal cord is along a tube-like structure which extends from the brain. It lies within the backbone of our body. 2. Peripheral nervous system. P-E-R-I-P-H-E-R-A-L. Peripheral. Nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves extending from the spinal cord to all parts of the body. It is made up of 2 parts. Somatic nervous system. S-O-M-A-T-I-C. Somatic. Nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. Somatic nervous system. Autonomous nervous system. A-U-T-O-N-O-M-O-U-S. Autonomous. Nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Nervous system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. Nervous system. Today we learn about digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system. Thank you, students.